If there are two flavors that I will define as flavors of South of India, they will be one, coconut, and second, banana. There is so much that you can do with coconut and banana, separately or individually. Welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes, where we create these interesting recipes for you, minus the fuss, minus the guilt. The recipe that we're going to do for you today is fried plantain. Fried banana, and I could never pronounce it correctly, is called posumpui. Posumpui or posumpui, as some people call it. I will definitely make the recipe here like I've learned from a chef in Kerala. We take some refined flour or maida, some rice flour, we add a little bit of honey, very little salt. Now salt here is key because salt is going to really bring the flavors out. A touch of sourness from tamarind, very little. Now if you want, you can add the yellow color here. We are going to simply add water, keep the color neutral. We have peeled the plantain, cut into two. And now we will put it in some coconut, nicely smothered with the batter. Now the honey and banana combination is a classic made in heaven combination. That is the combination that we are using in this dish. So this is all set to go get fried in the Philips air fryer. So we have preheated our air fryer at 180 degrees. And let's put the bananas to fry. Here, so we have more bananas left. Thank God for this accessory in which you can cook double the amount. So here you see I have some bananas on top, some at the bottom. Nice. Okay, time to play. Here you are. Let's top it up with some cashew nuts and a little drizzle of honey. The natural sweetness of the plantain or the banana inside and that crisp texture of coconut and flour on the outside. I am pretty sure if you try it once, you'll keep trying it again and again.